nang magkahiwalay. Andito kami ngayon na mas lalong pinatibay at muling babangon. Oras na para umpisahan ang ating plano. Akin ang lupang ito. Hindi! Kiason!
Pas mo na yun.
Yun! Huwag ka na yun!
When I see your
Yes, lahat. Hindi ako nagkakala. Kasi, maganda ako. Mahirap magpapaganda ako. Marami kami pera. Maganda ako. Eh, ikaw? Maganda ka ba?
soul. It's number 5. Let's go! Paano maging pwede? 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 Bakit ang sino Papalay.
Batikig daw. Ito na yung layo.
Ladies and gentlemen, when we call the graduates, 700 students and only 2 passes with the highest grade of 74.9. Give a round of applause for when we call Mr. Budong Istoy Putoy Patumoy Kamay Tuoy.
A pleasant afternoon to all, to me, to you, we, they, and everyone. Tonight, I am graduation, and I am proud of me. I invitation you all to eat our house, because I know someday that I will eat your house too. house to eat you all. And I will ask my father to cook my mother. I'm sure you will come because I'm graduation. Many times you very so much. God bless always. Yo, 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 yo!